ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa.
I'm here in front of you. You tried to kill me, but you couldn't. You cannot kill all the people. And don't laugh, sir. Don't laugh at me. Because a day we come top of your head, and you have to go court and answer for all those things you do here today, sir. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me.
Àṣírí ńlá rèé o. Arákùnrin tí ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tọ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ nísìnyí jọ́nálìsì ni, ọmọ Iran ni. Jọ́nálìsì tó jẹ́ ọmọ Iran, òun ló ṣe àlàyé ìyà tí rẹ̀jíìmù Iran tí wọ́n fi jẹ òun nígbà kan tí wọ́n ń ṣe protest gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ journalist tó jẹ́ pé ó wà ní on ground níbẹ̀ tí ó ń cover àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó ní ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti mú òun tí wọ́n sì mú òun lọ sí ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n, tí wọ́n mú òun lọ síbẹ̀ tí wọ́n lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tọ́ṣọ̀ òun, tí wọ́n fìyà ń jẹ òun, wọ́n na òun, wọ́n ṣe oríṣiríṣi fún òun wípé kóun sọ wípé òun ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Mossad, ìyẹn ni ọ̀gá ológun Israeli. Ó ní gbogbo àwọn ìyà tán fi wá jẹ òun yìí, wọ́n gé ẹran ara òun, wọ́n buyọ̀ sí i wípé kóun ṣáà lè sọ nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó tó di pé òun wá sọ. Ó ní ibi tí wọ́n kó àwọn sí nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ń bẹ, ó ní kì í ṣe òun nìkan o, àwọn pọ̀ o. Ó ní èèyàn 3 ló kú lórí ìyà tí wọ́n fi ń jẹ àwọn bó ṣe ń tọ́ṣọ̀ àwọn nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ń bẹ, èèyàn 3 ló kú. Ṣùgbọ́n ìyàlẹ́nu tó wà níbẹ̀ ni wípé àjọ àpapọ̀ lágbàáyé ni wọ́n wà yìí o, tó ti ń tú àṣírí yìí o, ìyẹn ní UN. Wọ́n wá pàdé pẹ̀lú rẹ̀jíìmù Iran, wọ́n wá pàdé ní UN. Níbi àjọ àpapọ̀ lágbàáyé ló ti ń sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Iran tí wọ́n ń wò yẹn wípé kí Trump kó máa jáwọ́ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn wípé wọ́n le gidi o, wípé ojú tí àgbáyé fi ń wò wọ́n kọ́ ni wọ́n jẹ́ o, wípé bí wọ́n ṣe kóra wọn pé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n kóra wọn jọ tó yẹ pé oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan ni wọ́n ń dánwò tó dẹ̀ yẹ pé wọ́n ti spread wọn sí àgbáyé. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, àṣírí ńlá gidi ni ọmọ Iran tó jẹ́ journalist Iran ló ń tú nípa rẹ̀jíìmù wọn, àwọn adarí wọn yìí ní inú àjọ àpapọ̀ lágbàáyé. Ẹ wo arákùnrin àwọn rẹ̀jíìmù wọn tí wọ́n jọ pàdé ní UN yìí, ó tẹ̀ bá rẹ́rìn, ó ní kó má rẹ́rìn sí òun, kó má rẹ́rìn sí òun pé ọ̀rọ̀ tóun sọ yìí kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rín, pé ìyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ òun, ó ní kò kéré gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé òun tẹ̀ wá jẹ́ ọmọ Iran tí wọ́n dẹ̀ fi rú ìyà yẹn jẹ òun. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tóun ò ṣẹ̀, òun jẹ ìyà ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe force òun kó máa sọ wípé òun ṣiṣẹ́ fún Mossad, ìyẹn ni ọ̀gá ológun Israel tóun ò dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Ṣùgbọ́n nípa ìyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ òun, òun wá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n gé ẹran ara òun, wọ́n bu iyọ̀ sí. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, jẹ́ ká fi ohùn sí kẹ́ bá wa gbọ́ àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu journalist ọmọ Iran tẹ̀ ń wò nínú àjọ àpapọ̀ lágbàáyé ní UN yìí. Ẹ bá wa tẹ́tí ńlẹ̀.
I now give the floor to Mr. Ahmed Batibi.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I have a note here, but I don't want to read from this note. I want to talk from my heart here and share my experience with you when I was in the prison of Islamic Republic. My name is Ahmed Batibi, Iranian-American journalist and human rights activist. A few years ago, when I was a student, the Iranian regime arrested me and sent me to jail for attending a demonstration, exactly that thing we see in the street right now in Iran. And they said that demonstration against the government, Islamic regime in Iran, is fighting with the government, and we are representative of the God, of Allah on the earth. And when you fight with our regime, it means you fight with God. And based of the Islamic rule, Sharia, your punishment is death. They gave me capital punishment. They sent me jail. They kept me 2 years in solitary confinement. They tortured me, many torture, including fake execution. They killed other people and kept me there. I watched them, how they die to torture me. For 3 times they did that. They cut my body and put salt on my body. I can show you, if you do not believe me, I can show you my body right now to see the sign of these cuts. They torture mentally and physically for many reasons. One of the demand they had was bring me front of the camera of state TV to tell to people I'm a spy of United States. They'll torture me. I go and say, I got money from the United States, Mossad, Israel, CIA, to run demonstration against the government. I never did that, but they torture me to do that. Exactly same situation we have in Iran right now. If you see the state TV, you see many innocent people. They came in the street, just chant their rights, and the Iranian regime put them in front of the camera, and they say that, yes, we are agent of this Mossad. And right now I'm here. After 1 decade of the prison, I had this chance to escape from the prison. And this country, the United States of the America, opened the door in front of me. I come here. I'm safe here. And in front of you, gentlemen, representative of demonic regime in Iran, the Ayatollah's regime. When we are talking about Iranian regime, we do not talk about a normal regime. We are talking about demonic cult. They have their own ideology. They have gun, they have money, and their mission is exporting their ideology to other countries. I don't want to talk about the details, but this is their mission. They have a technique. They have some chief apologists. Their job is coming here and clean the face of the regime, and they wash their bloody hand of the regime. But it doesn't work anymore. I'm here in front of you. You tried to kill me, but you couldn't. You cannot kill all the people. And don't laugh, sir. Don't laugh at me. Because a day come, we come top of your head, and you have to go court and answer for all those things you do here today, sir. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. 2 days ago, I was talking to someone who worked for government. He said that. In the media, you see that. They say 12,000 people died just during these days we have demonstration. That's correct. But the accurate number is much, much more than that. Because the Iranian regime buried the people, the dead people, without any identification. They do not give chance to their family even go and get their body, and they bury them in unknown cemeteries. The number of dead people is much, much more than this. I was talking to an activist in Iran. He said that many of those people right now killing people in the street, they are Iranian regime proxy forces. Hashto Shabi from Iraq, Hezbollah from Lebanon, Fatimiyun or I don't know, Zainabiyun, they are Afghan people. He said that many of these people shoot us. They cannot even talk Farsi, and they talk Arabic with Iraqi accent. Everything I have to say, details, Masih said that I don't want to get the time. But the only thing you have to know that, sir, you saw a lot of bravery during these days from Iranian people. But it's not enough. You cannot go fight with a demonic regime like Islamic Republic, which has gun, ammo, money, power, and everything. We need your help. Not just condemning something or say that, no, it's bad, don't do it. We need actual act. We need physical act. I want to talk to the President of the United States, Mr. Donald Trump. I appreciate you, President. Everything you do is awesome. But during these days, you encourage people to go in the street. That was the good thing. But don't leave them alone. They need your help. You encourage them, and they are in the street. Please listen to them. They are chanting. They say what they want. They need your help. If you leave them alone, I'm talking about all official and leader of the world, we need your help. If you leave them alone, we cannot change the regime in Iran. And we continue this mass killing and genocide in Iran. Thank you so much.
Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.